Let's talk about Helldivers, connection lost fakes. Full guide to in a simple and calm way we'll go step by step.
But fear not, brave Helldivers. In this ultimate guide, we're diving deep into every known fix and workaround for the connection. Lost issue ensuring your fight for Super Earth remains uninterrupted. We'll explore network settings, in-game optimizations, and crucial tips to get you back into the fray, delivering managed democracy like a true heir. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the basics. A simple router restart can often resolve temporary network glitches that are causing your disconnections. Also, and you're using a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible. Wi-Fi can introduce instability, especially during intense firefights. Finally, always check the official Helldivers server status only. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Your computer's defenses, while crucial, can sometimes be overly aggressive with Helldivers. Make sure the game is whitelisted in both your Windows firewall and any third-party antivirus software you're running. If you're still experiencing drops, try temporarily disabling your antivirus and firewall just for a quick test run. Remember to re-enable them immediately afterward for your system security.
Let's get a bit technical with your network configurations. Open your command prompt as an administrator and try running ipconfig flushes, followed by ipconfig release and ipconfig renew. These commands can clear out old problematic network data. Also consider setting a custom DNS server like Google's and or Cloudflare's Bovo and download directly in your adapter settings for a more stable connection.
Sometimes the problem lies within the game files themselves. Verify the integrity of Helldivers files through Steam. Corrupt data can lead to all sorts of unpredictable errors, including disconnections. Additionally, for some players, toggling the crossplay option off and on again, or even keeping it off for a few missions, has shown to improve connection stability. Don't forget to restart your game after making these changes